Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge 2 hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And we're on prompts 45 and 46. And our prompts today is lady and gentleman. So I thought I would use these two rubber stamps. I think they're so funny. I've had them for years. In fact, they're art impressions from 1996. But I love those expressions, so I think that this is what I'm going to do. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. I begin by stamping my stamps with archival ink because I don't want it to smear as I color it. And since I'm stamping one, I decided to go ahead and stamp multiple images. And so I just did 3 of each. And I'm using my Tombow markers to color in the pictures. And I just use a blending tool that came with it. And I've had these markers for years. But I just use the blending tool so that I can get the softer look on the inside to kind of give it that shading. So I do this with all 3 of the ladies with different colors and with the men's clothes. And I use gray. I was afraid the gray would be too harsh, just straight down. So I used my blending tool to bring that gray into her hair. And I do it with her face with a different color. And I just play with it. Now I don't have a white Tombow marker, so I use my Posca pen to do little white details on the house shoes and her coffee cup, and that helped a lot. It's not a whole lot done, but you can tell the difference than just leaving it alone. And I add a little bit of pink in the bunny's noses and ears. Now I'm just going to decorate these little black bags that I got from Amazon, and I just play around with the paper at the back and collage a background, and I just add my little folks, and then I'll add in a saying. So I'll just let you watch and see what I do. Now, because of the brightness of these characters, I didn't want to ink because it's not like your vintage stuff. So I just went around it with a Stabilo All pencil and just used a water brush. And also at the bottom where their feet are, shaded it so that it looked like they weren't just floating. But to kind of bring them from the background because they're bright and so is the background. But with these kind of images, I thought that's what was called for. here they are. I love how they turned out. I think they're so funny. She says, if it requires pants or a bra, it's not happening today. And he says, I'm not childish. You're just a big duty head. So I thought these were funny. I thought I might be able to use these sometime. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge too to see what everyone else has made. We are almost finished. It's hard to believe. So until next time, bye y'all.